Hi students, welcome to CSM. Today's topic is matrices. Matrices is what? Matrix क्या है? Matrix is just simply a representation or set of numbers arranged in rectangular format. है ना? Matrix क्या है? It's just set of numbers arranged in rectangular table. For example, A1, A2, A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. This arrangement you also saw in determinant, but determinant is written in between two parallel lines, but this matrix is written between square brackets. Okay, so just set of numbers arranged in rectangular table. See, there are so many types of matrices. Matrix बहुत तरीके के हैं, so one by one we'll see all, है ना. First is row matrix. In row matrix, only row is there, one row is there. Okay, like example A1, B1, C1, only one row and three columns are there, है ना. Only one row, three elements are there in this matrix. So this is row matrix, only one row is there. Second, column matrix. Example A1, A2, A3. This is column matrix, only one column is there, only one column is there. That is why it is called as column matrix. Third, rectangular matrix. What is the property of rectangle? Rectangle is having length and breadth, correct, and that length is not equal to breadth, है ना. Likewise here also rectangular matrix A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3. Here number of rows and columns are not equal, so it is called as rectangular matrix. Or you can say A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, C1, C2, है ना. This is also rectangular matrix. Why? Because here also number of rows and number of columns are not equal. So just you can see here, you can observe there are two rows and three columns. Two rows and three columns. So this is called as 2 by 3 matrix. Two rows, three columns. So this is 2 by 3 matrix. This is 3 by 2 matrix, 3 rows and 2 columns. So it is 3 by 2 matrix. Okay, then fourth is square matrix. What is property of square? All the sides are equal. Here also same thing, just here number of rows and number of columns are equal. Three by 3 matrix, है ना. और 2 by 2 matrix, number of rows and number of columns are same. That is why it is called as square matrix. Okay. Fifth type is triangular matrix. In triangular matrix there are two types of matrix, upper triangle in upper triangular matrix see all the elements in upper triangle and the lower triangle it is 0 है ना. Likewise second type is lower triangle matrix. In this see lower triangle elements are there, in upper it's the remaining are zeros. So these 5 types, just have a look. Row matrix means only one row, column matrix means only one column is there in that matrix. In rectangular matrix it follows the property of rectangle, the number of rows and columns are not same, they are either number of rows are greater than number of columns or number of columns are greater than number of rows. So this is called as rectangular matrix. Then square matrix, in square matrix it follows the property of square, like how square is what, all sides are equal. Likewise number of rows and number of columns are equal in square matrix. In triangular matrix there are two types of matrices, upper triangular matrix and lower triangular matrix. In upper triangular matrix the elements are there in upper triangle, lower triangle other elements are 0, and in lower triangular matrix lower elements are numbers and the uppers are 0. Okay, then next type is identity matrix. What is it? Sixth type is identity matrix. Okay, identity matrix means the diagonal elements are 1 and the others are 0. This is what identity matrix. The diagonal elements are 1 and other elements are 0. Diagonal elements are 1 and other elements are 0. It is called as identity matrix or unity. Okay, then 7 diagonal matrix. Here also in diagonal any number is there, other elements are 0. Okay, next scalar matrix. Scalar matrix. In scalar matrix what's there? Diagonal same elements are there, है ना, diagonally same elements are there, same elements, so others are 0. So same elements means what? K into identity matrix. K you take common, then the remaining matrix is what? Identity matrix. So this is called as scalar matrix. It can be 2 by 2, it can be 3 by 3, है ना, but it should be square matrix. Square matrix with same elements in diagonal. Next one is symmetric matrix. Next is symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix, you need to see the concept. When we can say that the matrix is symmetric, okay, so for that you have to know about transpose. When we can say A is symmetric matrix, okay, let A is any matrix. We can say A is symmetric when A is equal to A transpose. Now what is A transpose? We'll take one example and you will get what is transpose. Okay, suppose matrix A is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So what will be transpose? A transpose will be interchange the rows to its columns. Means first row will become first column, second row will become second column, and third row will become third column. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So understood the concept? What is transpose of A? What you have to do, just interchange the rows and columns. First row will become first column, second row will become second column, third row will become third column. So this is transpose of A. And what symmetric matrix says, concept says, if A and A transpose is same, then A is symmetric matrix. Here you can see A and A transpose is not equal. A is not equal to A transpose. Therefore, A is not symmetric matrix. Okay. Therefore, A is not symmetric. We'll see the example of symmetric matrix also. Just for giving the description for the concept, I took this example. So everybody come to know how symmetricity we can define. If A is equal to A transpose, then we can say A is symmetric. If A is not equal to A transpose, then A is not symmetric. The next concept is skew symmetric matrix. What is it? Skew symmetric matrix. What skew symmetric matrix says? If A transpose is equal to minus of A. If A transpose is equal to minus of A, then we can say that A is skew symmetric. Then we can say that A is skew symmetric. Okay. The last one, null matrix. Null matrix means the matrix having no elements. This is null matrix. Okay. 0. No elements means null matrix. So everybody understood the types of matrices. So we saw row matrix having only one row, column matrix having only one column, then square matrix, number of rows and number of columns are equal, rectangular matrix, number of columns and number of rows differs. It can be number of rows greater than number of columns or number of columns greater than number of rows. Then we saw symmetry matrix. Symmetric matrix says if A is equal to A transpose, then it is symmetric. So how we can calculate A transpose? I told you. Then skew symmetric, if A transpose is equal to negative of A, then we can say matrix A is skew symmetric. Then the last one, the null matrix. Null matrix means having no element inside that matrix. Okay. Diagonal matrix, in diagonal there are numbers. Then unity or identity matrix, in that diagonally only one is a element diagonally. And scalar matrix, diagonally there should be same number, same scalar quantity, either 2 2, 3 3 3, 5 5 5, 5 6 is not scalar, है ना, because numbers differs. Diagonally there should be same number, then it is called as scalar matrix. Now algebra of matrices. We can see we can add two matrices. We can add two matrices. It's just simple. Let's take one example. Let A is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 and B is equal to 6 8 10 12 11 1. So we have to find A plus B. What we will do, just write it plus 6 8 10 12 11 1. A plus 1 will be 1 plus 6, 2 plus 8, 3 plus 10, 4 plus 12, 5 plus 11, 6 plus 1, 7, 10, 13, 16, 16, 7. So this is A plus B. It's just simple as we are doing addition of two numbers. Okay. First element of first row, first column with second matrices, first row, first column. First row, second column, first row, second column. First row, third column plus first row, third column. Second row, first column plus second row, first column. So like this we have to add. It's just simple, like we are doing normal addition. So this is matrix addition. Matrix addition. Okay. Now we'll take one example to prove or to find the values of x, y, है ना, or a, b, c. Suppose it's university question. If three minus 6 4 2 plus 2 3 minus 2 1 is equal to A, B, C, D. Just we have to find A, B, C, D, है ना? So I told you addition of this will give values of this. Okay. Now as we know, 3 plus 2 minus 6 plus 3, 4 plus minus 2. So plus and minus will be minus. So 4 minus 2, 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2, is equal to A, B, C, D as it is. 3 plus 2 5, minus 6 plus 3 minus 3, 4 minus 2 2, 2 plus 2 4. So it's a 2-mark question. A will be 5, B will be minus 3, C will be 2, D will be 4. Understood? Okay. One more example we'll take. If A is equal to 3 minus 1 2 4, B is equal to 1 2 minus 3 0, 1 2 minus 3 0. Find x such that 2x plus 3a minus 4b is equal to I. Okay, now just see, I is what? Identity matrix. I is what? Identity matrix. Okay, x we have to find. 3a means we have to multiply 3 with this A matrix, and 4b means we have to multiply 4 to this matrix. Okay, so just we'll put the values. 2x plus 3 A matrices, 4b is equal to, now we have to write the identity matrix. Since 2 by 2 matrices are there here also, so we'll take the 2 by 2 identity matrix only. Now keep this as it is. See, when we write like this, it means we have to multiply with all the elements. So 3 into 3 9, 3 into minus 1 minus 3, 3 into 2 6, 3 into 4 12, minus similarly 4 into all the elements. 4 into 1 4, 4 into 2 8, 4 into minus 3 it's minus 12, 4 into 0 0 is equal to identity matrix. Okay, keep this as it is. We can subtract also, like how we did addition, likewise we can do subtract also. Same rule. 9 minus 4, minus 3 minus 8 है ना, minus 3 minus 8, 6 minus 12, तो 6 plus 12, 12 minus 0 is equal to identity matrix. Now 2x plus 9 minus 4 5, minus 3 minus 8 minus 11, 6 plus 12 18, 12 is equal to 1001. Normal maths calculation, like when a positive numbers go that side of equal to, it becomes negative. Likewise this positive matrix, when it goes here, it will become negative. So 2x is equal to 1001 minus 5 minus 11 18 and 12. This implies 2x is equal to 1 minus 5 minus 4, 0 minus 11 plus 11, 0 minus 18 minus 18, 1 minus 12 minus 11. Okay, now this 2x means what? 2 into x. When this 2 goes here, it will become, or it will come in division. So x is equal to 1 by 2 of minus 4, 11 minus 18 minus 11. So this is the answer. This is what? This is the answer. Understood everybody? What we did? Just we substituted the matrices in this expression, and since both the matrices are of 2 by 2 matrix, so we took identity matrix also 2 by 2, and normal multiplication and addition subtraction we did with these matrices. Just general maths rules, following the maths rules. When this positive matrices is there, when it goes this side of equal to, it becomes negative. And when a multiplier is there, it will go here in division. So this is the answer.